Dating kontrolado ito ng Pilipinas. Pero noong 2012 sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino, napunta ang kontrol nito sa China at di na mapasok ng mga Pilipinong mangingisda. Batay sa mga report ng AFP, nag-umpisa ito nang magkaroon ng standoff sa pagitan ng Philippine Navy at Chinese Maritime Surveillance Patrol. Aarestuhin sana kasi ng Navy ang mga mangingisda ng 8 Chinese fishing vessel na napag-alamang may nakuhang corals, giant clams at mga buhay na pating. Para hindi mauwi sa barilan sa West Philippine Sea, nagkasundo ang Pilipinas at China na sabay mag-withdraw ng mga barkong pandigma sa Scarborough Shoal. Ang problema, hindi malinaw kung talagang nag-pull out ang China dahil ilang araw lang pagkatapos nito, bumalik din doon ang mga barko ng China. Ilang buwan matapos nito, napag-alaman na nakikipag-usap din pala si Senator Antonio Trillanes IV sa Beijing, bukod pa sa Philippine Ambassador. Otorisado raw ni Pangulong Aquino ang backdoor diplomacy ni Trillanes.
Whom did you talk to in China?
I don't need to report to the Senate President, Mr. President.
You have a duty
I
to
am not,
report what you do
obliged.
as a senator to this chamber. And in fact, you have a duty to notify the office of the Senate President when you leave this country to go abroad.
But I did
And
not.
the only time that I have authorized you is one time. I do not know how many times you have been to China. My understanding is you have been to China talking to the Chinese government for 6 times already.
Yes. And I
And that
did
you
not-
have met them 15 or 16 times. For
Yes.
what reason, we do not know. Are you becoming a fifth columnist of the Chinese in this country?
The Senate President is not privy to the backroom channel talks, and I'm not obliged in any way to.
I think you
divulge.
have a duty to inform the people.
I'm not. I have already informed the people, but not the Senate President. I'm not obliged to report to the Senate President, and all this line of questioning is irrelevant again. And should this line of questioning continue, I will have to say that I will refuse to yield anymore the floor.
No, I'm asking you a question. You went to China, you asked the ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said, do not take notes during our conversation. And you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that he committed treason.
Yes, it was an executive session, and we're not supposed to
And I
divulge
will
what's
read,
happening in
you
the.
want, I will read it to
What-
the record, your conversation with Brady,
But it's
and his
supposed
notes
to
to the Department of Foreign
It's
Affairs.
supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but that's not
So,
confidential.
even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the